guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a day in the life of me. Now each day varies, every single day is different when you're a blogger. When I'm home, it's more of my quieter days, it's the days that I film and kind of run errands. So this morning I always make myself a cup of tea, grab a bit of breakfast and then head back upstairs to wash my face and kind of prepare it for the day that I have ahead of me. I've used my Liz Earl cleanser and toner and now I'm about to go and moisturize my face to keep it nice and hydrated throughout the whole day. The moisturizer that I'm going to be using is the Glam Glow Water Burst moisturizer. Now this is brand new and I have been using this for a couple of weeks now. You guys know I have just got back from holiday, so my skin is a little dried out from all the sun tanning that I've done. I know, naughty Amy. This moisturizer could not have come at a better time. The formula has been made to quench, replenish and plump your skin, and it also smells like bubblegum, so win-win. Then I'm going to be moving on to film. So I like to film videos for YouTube, Instagram, kind of catch up with content and get creative. And then once I'm dressed, I like to sit down and kind of unbox some PR packages or anything that I've bought online. I also like to photograph and pop it onto my Instagram stories and Snapchat stories. Believe it or not, this can actually take quite some time to do. I've spent probably the most 3 hours, I think, unboxing everything and putting all the photos up onto Instagram stories and Snapchat. But it's exciting because I do get some really amazing makeup come through the front door. Then after that, I like to sit down and get on with some emails, do some admin. I like to get ready and prepared for Instagram videos or Instagram posts. I also like to do some research, catch up on a few YouTube videos, that kind of thing. I call it inspiration, but you know, really I'm just watching YouTube videos. Then I'm leaving my house to run some errands and go grab some makeup. I'm just going to check my skin in the mirror. It's still looking super fabulous and hydrated, and the moisturizer still feels silky smooth on my skin. No need to reapply and I'm not looking oily at all. So I'm going to head down to Boots, and you can also buy this moisturizer in Boots nationwide. And I'm going to grab a few extra things that I'm in need of to film some more videos. So after I've got my daily fix with a cup of tea, I'm going to head to my hairdresser's because I really need my roots touching up. I've got events coming up in the next couple of weeks, so I need to kind of look my best, and I do try and stay on top of my hair and nails because I do feel like it's important as a beauty blogger to, you know, look your best as much as possible. I mean, half the time I am in my pajamas and I look a mess, but at least I'll have nice hair and nails. like to light a candle and chill out as much as possible. I'm just going to check in with my skin and see how it's looking. It's still looking very hydrated and moisturized, and I still look very glowy without feeling and looking oily. I then like to finish off the videos that I kind of started editing in the morning and get all my Instagram posts done. I'll pop on a movie, eat some junk food, and then that is pretty much it for my evening. I hope you guys have enjoyed this type of video, and until next time, I will see you soon.